8:51 in the morning. It's not snowing. There's a ton of snow on the ground now. But you already know, day 15, we're on this path to 100,000. We're gonna get it by any means necessary, respectfully. It's a beautiful morning, this Saturday morning. Got some good football games today too in the AFC North. Meantime, we're headed to Chevy Chase, baby. Chevy Chase, Maryland. We are en route. See you soon. If you out and about, it's icy roads, be careful. Be careful, take your time. All right, y'all, we've arrived. We are in Chevy Chase, Maryland, and this first stop is just a troubleshoot. All right, so basically what we're doing is we're going to be switching someone over from like Verizon or Xfinity to a Fire Stick or a Roku device, and then just kind of getting them familiar with that. So I'll show y'all what that look like. All right, guys, we're here. Let me show you what we are about to do with TV number one. We actually got 4 that we're going to switch out. This is the first one. Let's do it. All right, see these right here? We're going to be using Roku sticks, and we're going to switch from Verizon to streaming. Let's go. All right, so that right there, older Verizon box, but that has to go. Will be replaced with that one. All right, Roku ready to go. Come on, that's one. All right, number 2. Let's go. All right, that's 3. All right, another one. It's the 4th one. Perhaps I should have grabbed some scissors and cut the cord. All right, y'all, so just wrapped up, cut the cord. So, yeah, y'all may got questions about that. Hey, if y'all got questions, because it's not always beneficial for everybody, but some people it is. So in this case, she had like 4 cable boxes, got rid of that, got her signed up for her Apple Plus, Netflix, and all that good stuff. And she's probably going to save anywhere from $150 to $200 a month. You know what I mean? So, and for us, that's another $200 that we're adding to the kitty for the day on a goal of $325. We pushing, baby, on to the next. Next stop is in, I'm just going to go out on a limb and say, oh, it's in Northwest. Next stop is in Northwest. That's right, all day. I'm out this way all day. So Northwest, I'm 15 minutes, baby, I'll be there.